Welcome to lesson 2. We're going to start today by looking at 4 different rhythm patterns and talking about the differences in them look like simple and complex and how we would use them together and if they would go well together. So looking at the red pattern, we have a really simple pattern because there are only 2 things in it, or 2 different types of rhythms in it, and mostly is dominated by one, which is the do. So this would probably be a great one to have as our almost beat keeper for our patterns because they are basically doing the do's the whole time. Looking at the blue pattern, we also only have 2 different things, due days and do's, but they rotate a little more frequently. So these two, this would be a little bit more complex than the red. We get to the green. The green also has 2 different types of things, due days and do-oo. So 2 and 3 would probably be comparable to each other in complexity because they both have 2 different things and they both occur about the same amount. Looking at the last one, the purple pattern, this is one that is more complex than the others because it has 3 different rhythm components happening at once. We have a due to data, a due, and a due day. This type of pattern should go to someone in your group who has an instrument that's really easy to create crisp and clear patterns on, because if you're trying to use something that is going to be muffled, the due to data for sure is not going to be heard as well. Okay, so we have simple, and these will both be kind of in the middle. When we get to 4, this would definitely be complex. So looking at these, we have something that line up and some things that don't. So for example, beat 1, we have a due, due day, due day, due to data. Beat 2, due, due day, due. So we have something different in each one. A due, due day, due, due day. And last beat, due day, due. Okay? So you want to make sure that you have something varying in each measure or each rhythm beat so that we don't have just dues, due days, dues, etc. Okay? Hopefully this helps. If not, we can come talk to me more in class. But again, we want something that's simple, things that are in the middle, and we want something that's complex in our rhythms.